What's going on, everybody? Today I am going to be showing you guys my new ones. I got 3 new snakes. One of them is a enchi yellow belly 100% het puzzle female, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit sketched out about her, so let's see if I get bit. Come here, mama. Come here. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. So this girl is our enchi yellow belly 100% hat puzzle. And as you can see, when I picked her up, she was trying to get the heck away. But as you work with them a little bit, they calm down some, and she should be okay in a couple minutes. Hi, beautiful. Look at this girl. She is beautiful, strong, and sketchy. So yeah, I don't know if you guys caught that, how I picked her up, but I kind of waited for her to move until I got her because I didn't want her head facing me. I wanted her to get her own direction before I go ahead and start trying to handle her. Look at this, guys. She's already chilling with me. See, a little bit of time, you work them in, and all of a sudden, she's chill. She trusts me, I trust her. This is how you work in snakes. Just kind of hang out with them. She decided to get up on my neck, so I was like, all right, cool. At first, I was a little nervous because, you know, she's a big girl and she's a little sketchy, but she's a sweetheart. She was just scared at first. So this is the enchi yellow belly. And you can see the pixelation underneath. So I'm hoping she, ends up giving us some puzzle babies. I mean, she's 100% het for puzzles, so should be no problem. I was trying to feel if she has any follicles built up. Maybe 1 or 2 hard spots, but she's so wiggly that it's tough to tell. So today is feeding day. I'm going to take her, put her away, and then we'll go ahead and have Tamara come here and start filming so we can get some of these feeding sessions on camera. This little boy is a butthole. So this little scared little ball right here, he's supposed to be DG, but I don't know, he looks a little dirty for DG. He's definitely a little underweight though. Try to get some of his Repta chip he's bringing with him. Come on, buddy, it's okay. What do you guys think? Do you guys think he's DG? He's starting to loosen up a little bit. Try to kind of slowly just pull him a little. And bam. And we got him open. Hi, buddy. My little nervous boy. It's okay. It's okay. So, the funny thing is you guys can't see Tamara's face during all of this, but she is scared of this little guy. And I understand why, because he's a little feisty. He's a little feisty guy, honestly. And, he will definitely strike. He struck at me a few times yesterday. But, you know, it's alright. You gotta get used to me. You gotta get him worked in and feeling like, oh, this is my friend. I don't need to be upset. I don't need to be mad. We're friends. No, you don't always get along with your friends when you meet them, right? You know, I got plenty of guys that I didn't get along with when I first met them, but now me and them are friends. So that's where I'm at with this guy, is trying to make him my friend. Won't be my friend, buddy? We can be friends. I did not think this guy was going to be our problem child. I was really thinking it was going to be the enchi yellow belly puzzle female that was all big. I was told she was very spicy. She is a bit flighty. Obviously, whenever you go to pick her up, she tries to run and all that stuff. But this guy wants to fight every time you pick him up. So him, you got to kind of mess with, kind of get behind his head and get him up real quick. He turned tight into a ball, and that's actually what we want him to do. Instead of striking, we'd rather have him in a ball and then get him up in our hands and relax him until he feels comfortable with us and knows we're not here to hurt him. Hey everybody, Shane here from the future, and we realized now she is a female, not a male, and this one is actually probably the het. The other one is a male, and that one is most likely the visual DG. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this little guy away. Okay, now this little boy. Try to not get bit by him. Hear him hissing at me? That's how you know. What y'all mad about, boy? So this guy is a little bit different coloration than his brother. His brother was a bit whiter, where he is much more yellow, a little bit darker, and not as much pixelation. He does have some pixelation on his side still, but not nearly like his brother does. So I'm guessing both of these guys are yellow belly, and this guy is, well, both of them are 100% het for Desert Ghost. The other guy might be a visual Desert Ghost and this guy be het, or there's another gene in there, maybe like special or something like that, you know? I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. So, these are our 3 new ones. Let's feed these little skinny guys and get them to bulk up a bit. Let's go and get some rats for him, put him back, and let him enjoy his day so he's not so salty. Because I know you hissed at me like 80 times. It's okay, boy. I'm not mad at you. I know. You're just trying to get to know me. I want to get to know you. We can be great friends one day. Would you like to be my friend, or do you want to bite my face? Both? Okay, good. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.